Hi, welcome to your Montesorri quote for today, Thursday, 9th January 2025. Our quote for today is from Maria Montessori's 1946 London Lectures, page 133. It says, when the child has mastered equilibrium, he needs to practice through exercise so that his sense of balance may be perfected. It is only logical that a child must walk if he is to do this. Again, when the child has mastered equilibrium, he needs to practice it through exercise so that his sense of balance may be perfected. It is only logical that a child must walk if he is to do this. Dr. Maria Montessori pointed out some things in her work, Absorbent Mind. Let me read what she said. She said that because of misconception, movement is considered less noble than it is, especially the movement of the child. In education as a whole, movement is sadly neglected and all importance is given to the brain. Only physical education considers movement. However, in the organization of the nervous system, we have the brain, the senses, and the nerves. The purpose of the nerve is to give energy, which is expressed in movement, to the muscles. This shows that movement is the overall conclusion and purpose of the nervous system. Without movement, which is using the muscles, the child cannot achieve concentration, balance, and the development of fine motor skills, which invariably makes him dependent, contrary to the desire of every adult for the growing child. So, only by movement can the child master equilibrium and relate with his environment. Our activity for today is from the practical life area of learning in the Montesorri. Walk on the line. Thanks for watching this video. Do well to like, comment, and share this video. See you again tomorrow for another learning journey with Mr. John. Bye-bye.